If you want to uninstall Opera browser in Windows, I'll show you the quickest way to do it cleanly and safely. This is a simple process, but before you remove the browser, it's a good idea to make sure Opera is fully closed so Windows can uninstall it without errors. If this tutorial helps, please hit like and subscribe for more helpful Windows tips and simple software guides. First, press Ctrl, Shift, and ESC at the same time to open Task Manager. This lets you see everything that is currently running on your computer. In the list of apps and background processes, look for anything named Opera or Opera Internet Browser. If you find it, right-click it and choose End Task. This step is important because if Opera is still running in the background, Windows may block the uninstall process or leave files behind. Once Opera is completely closed, press the Windows key and the R key together to open the Run dialog box. In the box, type appwiz.cpl and then press Enter. This will take you directly to the classic Programs and Features window where you can view and remove installed desktop apps. Now, in the list of programs, search for Opera. When you find it, right-click it and select Uninstall. Windows will then start the removal process. Follow any prompts that appear on the screen and confirm the uninstall if needed. Depending on your system, Opera may ask if you want to keep your profile data or remove it as well, so pay attention to each prompt before clicking through. After the uninstaller finishes, it's a good idea to restart your computer. Restarting helps clear any remaining temporary files and make sure Opera is fully removed from your Windows system. If you ever reinstall it later, you'll have a fresh start. And that's it. You've now uninstalled Opera browser in Windows using the easiest method. If this video helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next quick tech tutorial.